joining us today is Greg McCollum, Managing Partner of the Complete Legal Defense Team. Greg, it's good to see you.
It's good to see you, Hallie.
So we've been seeing a lot in the news lately about human trafficking. Does your firm defend people for human trafficking?
Yes. Interestingly enough, we do defend people for human trafficking, and we have had a number of those cases.
We see posters in public places such as hotels and airports advising us as members of the public to report suspicious activity about human trafficking. Talk to us a little bit about that.
You know, as a friend of mine said, human trafficking exists, but it doesn't exist the way people think of it. When I think of human trafficking, I think of maybe some Liam Neeson movie where some innocent person is kidnapped and transported from one country to another and literally enslaved. That's not really what we see. It's really more of a voluntary type of thing where somebody's doing something. It usually involves sex or prostitution. It usually involves drug abuse or drug use or drug dependency. And that's really the way we see it in the cases that we observe.
Is there human trafficking right here in Myrtle Beach?
There is human trafficking here, but it's not something that someone should become alarmed about. We should be concerned about it because obviously if something like that is going on where somebody's being held against their will or possibly being influenced by their dependence on drugs or alcohol or that sort of thing, but it's not where these people have necessarily been kidnapped and whisked away. It's really more something they're doing with people they know.
Well, thank you so much for sharing with us today, Greg. It's always good to have you. Remember, guys, if you'd like more information, be sure to visit their website at CompleteLegalDefenseTeam.com.